Hello viewers, today's video topic is how to blur background in single click with neural filters. No more talk, let's start. Go to filter and then go to neural filter. Now go to Deep Blur. Click on Switch On button. Wait few seconds to complete the process. Done. Now background is blur. To do more blur, click on Blur Strength. Increase blur strength to 100%. The background is more blur than previous. To check before and after, click on Show Original button. This is before and this is after. Now click on OK button. Thanks for watching the video.